Unlocking English. Mastering the phrase, request. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving deep into a very common and important phrase, request. Understanding how to use request correctly can really elevate your English communication skills, whether you're in a formal setting, at work, or even in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. First things first. What does request mean? At its core, a request is asking for something politely or formally. It's a noun when you talk about the act of asking, and it's a verb when you talk about performing the action. For example, as a noun, she made a request for a day off. As a verb, she requested a day off. Notice how the sentence structure changes depending on the form of request used. Now, let's look at how to construct sentences using request. When request is a noun, you can make a request. You can respond to a request. A request can be accepted or denied. When request is a verb, you can request something from someone. You can request that something be done. Here are some examples. He requested assistance from his colleague. She made a request for additional resources. Request can also be part of several common phrases. Request for proposal, RFP, a document that solicits a proposal, often made through a bidding process. Request for information, RFI, a standard business process whose purpose is to collect written information about the capabilities of various suppliers. Upon request, meaning as soon as someone asks. One of the key aspects of request is its level of politeness and formality. Using request indicates a certain level of respect for the person you're asking something from, which can be very important in professional and formal settings. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide to using the phrase request in English. I hope this video has clarified any doubts and helped you understand how to use request confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to put what you've learned today into use. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.